Here at Lombard Equipment, we offer over 30 years of experience in the collision repair systems industry with over $100 million in equipment sales. Our technicians are factory trained to answer all your questions and fully service every system we sell. Our factory certified instructors offer training at your business or our facility classrooms. If you decide on a completely new collision repair system or look to enhance your existing system, Lombard Equipment will help you determine what's right for your business. Lombard Equipment is one of the most well-recognized and respected collision repair system suppliers in the business, serving the industry since 1991. Our commitment to quality and service is second to none.
Here at Bruce's, where we're expanding, we're growing every day. We're building a new 5,000 square foot facility out back, and when I need new equipment to fill that building, I'm going to call Lombard. Alan, I know, will set us up whatever we need.